Hey, yo, what's up? So today I want to make a video showing you how you can redeem your discount code for Tron and Liberty. And so right now, if you didn't know, in Discord there's a small quest where you only have to play like 15 minutes with Discord open or something like that. And so if you do this quest, I think you get a small bundle. So you get, I think, an enemy toy and some coin bundles. And so I simply wanted to make a video showing you how you can actually like redeem your code here. And so I just finished the quest here, and so to redeem your code and to get the reward, you kind of have to copy this code right here. So there you go, I just copied it, and then what you have to what you have to do is that you have to go into the game right here, and on the side here, on this right side here, there's a thing called coupon, and so you want to click on that, and then you obviously want to copy paste the coupon right here, and so I'm probably gonna blur that just to be sure. So there it is. Now it's here. Now I'm gonna click use. Okay, so now here I got 200 star crystal. I got 200 Ornate coins, and then I also got this emitter right here. And so make sure that you get this reward from the Discord quest and to redeem it. And that's kind of what it is. Peace.